Tuesday, creeks receiving runoff from almost 18 inches of rain rose rapidly over their banks, prompting another round of evacuations, along with rescues of some residents in wheelchairs from an assisted living facility. The situation was worsened by a flat topography, hardly above sea level, and the humid Gulf Coast climate disposed to produce heavy rainfall. These conditions have afflicted Houston from the beginning, with its first flood recorded in 1843, 7 years after the city was founded.
At least 5 people are dead as a result of record flooding in Houston, Texas. Monday's storm was the most significant flooding in Houston since 2001, and it has been estimated that as of yesterday afternoon, 240 billion gallons of rain had fallen. The governor of Texas declared a state of disaster in 9 counties. Thousands had to be airlifted to safety, over 70 horses had to be rescued from floodwaters, and hundreds of thousands more were left without power. As of today, flash flood watches were extended through the morning, and more thunderstorms were expected through.
Let's see. Yeah, this is, here, I'll zip in from here. Yeah. I think them cars are underwater. All the way out to the well, hard to see. Here, what's the price of fuel? Anyway. I think I hear a car coming. Let's see, do we have a car coming? I'll walk back over here real quick. No. Okay, well, once again, just this is a street. Alright. And don't know what else.
And here comes Ryan, kayaking down our street after the major rain. Where are you going?
Where?
Watch out for cars.